We've installed the app, created our vessel, and updated firmware. Now it's time to explore the vessels portion of the Mercury Marine app. We see all connected engines on the list along with their current engine hours. Clicking into the maintenance section, we see the maintenance status for each. We'll choose the starboard engine first. Several options appear. We can record the maintenance that's been done by checking off the items that have been serviced. Refer to your owner's manual or operations manual or the maintenance decal on the engine for an explanation of what each icon means. You can also add maintenance notes for future reference. Want some help with maintenance procedures? Our large collection of how-to videos is available here. At the time this video was being made, maintenance specs was not yet being used. Look for information to be added here in the future. Maintenance history shows all the maintenance procedures you have checked off in the app previously. Choose Contact Dealer to find your nearest dealers, just like in the Find My Dealer tile on the home screen. Again, note that location services must be enabled for this function to work. You can add additional vessels, as many as you want, by pressing the plus sign in the upper right. You'll need to disconnect from your current vessel to add another.